Hi, this is Bryan Cranston.
The official trailer for Breaking Bad 2 starts right now.
Breaking Bad, created by Vince Gilligan, is a critically acclaimed television series that aired on AMC from 2008 to 2013. It follows the transformation of Walter White, a high school chemistry teacher diagnosed with terminal lung cancer, who turns to cooking methamphetamine to secure his family's financial future. The show delves into themes of morality, ambition, and the human condition as Walter partners with his former student Jesse Pinkman, navigating the treacherous world of drug trafficking. The series is widely regarded as one of the greatest television shows of all time, earning numerous awards and a dedicated fan base. Its complex characters, intricate storytelling, and moral dilemmas resonate with viewers, prompting discussions about ethics, choices, and consequences in a morally ambiguous world. Vince Gilligan conceived Breaking Bad with a unique vision: to create a show centered around the transformation of an ordinary person into a villain. His idea was inspired by the contrast between Walter White, an archetypal Mr. Chips, a kind, mild-mannered educator, and the infamous drug lord Scarface. Gilligan aimed to explore how desperation and moral decline could corrupt a seemingly good person, using Walter's journey to examine broader questions about morality and human nature. Gilligan's previous experience as a writer and producer for The X-Files informed his narrative style. He often explored themes of good versus evil, the consequences of choices, and the supernatural. The show was developed over several years, with Gilligan initially pitching it to various networks, before finally securing a deal with AMC. Gilligan brought together a talented team of writers, directors, and producers to bring Breaking Bad to life. Key collaborators included Mimo McConaughey, Michelle MacLaren, a director and producer known for her work on series like The X-Files and Game of Thrones. MacLaren directed several pivotal episodes, including 1 Minute and Gliding Overall. Peter Gould, a writer and producer who co-created the spin-off Better Call Saul, Gould contributed significantly to the series, helping develop character arcs and storylines. Michael Slovis, as the cinematographer, Slovis crafted the show's distinctive visual style, utilizing unique camera angles, lighting, and color palettes to enhance the narrative's emotional depth. Together, this creative team established Breaking Bad as a groundbreaking series, blending strong writing with compelling visuals and character development. Walter White's transformation is the heart of Breaking Bad. The series begins with Walter as a sympathetic character, a mild-mannered teacher struggling to make ends meet while providing for his family. His cancer diagnosis serves as a catalyst, pushing him into the criminal world. As he partners with Jesse Pinkman, Walter adopts the alias Heisenberg, marking the start of his descent into darkness. Walter's journey is characterized by moral ambiguity, as he becomes increasingly involved in drug manufacturing and distribution. His motivations shift from altruistic to selfish. The series masterfully depicts his moral decline, showcasing the complexity of his character. Viewers grapple with their sympathies for Walter, questioning whether his actions can ever be justified and what it means to be bad, showcasing the complexity of his character. Breaking Bad delves deep into the moral consequences of its characters' choices. The show poses critical questions about ethics and responsibility. Walter's initial intention to provide for his family devolves into a quest for power and recognition, leading to devastating consequences for himself and those around him. The series highlights the ripple effects of Walter's actions, how one choice can lead to a series of tragic events. Characters like Jesse, Skylar, and Hank become entangled in Walter's web, showcasing the far-reaching impact of his descent into the drug trade. The moral dilemmas faced by each character emphasize the show's central theme. Every decision has consequences, and the line between right and wrong is often blurred. The series highlights the ripple effects of Walter's actions, how one choice can lead to a series of tragic events. 4.3 Supporting Cast. The supporting cast of Breaking Bad features a diverse range of characters, each contributing to the narrative's complexity. Anna Gunn as Skylar White, Walter's wife, who becomes increasingly aware of his criminal activities and struggles with her own moral dilemmas. Dean Norris as Hank Schrader, Walter's brother-in-law and a DEA agent whose pursuit of the drug trade adds tension to the narrative. Bob Odenkirk as Saul Goodman, a flamboyant criminal lawyer who becomes a central figure in the series, providing both comic relief and a lens into the legal aspects of the drug trade. Giancarlo Esposito as Gustavo Goose Fring, a drug lord with a legitimate business facade. Gus serves as a formidable antagonist for Walter, representing the cold, calculated world of high-stakes drug dealing. Each character's development and interplay with Walter create a rich tapestry of conflict, morality, and human emotion. Breaking Bad received universal acclaim from critics throughout its run. It consistently ranked highly on various best-of lists, including those compiled by major publications like Rolling Stone and The Atlantic. The show's writing, acting, and cinematography were often highlighted as key strengths, with particular praise for the character development and moral complexity. The series finale, Felina, garnered significant attention, with many praising its satisfying conclusion to Walter White's arc. Critics lauded the episode for its tight storytelling, emotional weight, and thematic resonance, solidifying Breaking Bad as a modern classic. Breaking Bad has received an impressive array of awards and nominations, solidifying its status as a landmark series in television history. Over its 5-season run, the show garnered 16 Primetime Emmy Awards out of 58 nominations, including significant wins for the Outstanding Drama Series in 2014 and 2015. Bryan Cranston's performance as Walter White earned him 4 Emmys for Outstanding Lead Actor in a Drama Series, while Aaron Paul received 3 Emmys for his portrayal of Jesse Pinkman in the Outstanding Supporting Actor category. Anna Gunn also won 2 Emmys for her role as Skylar White, showcasing the strength of the entire cast. In addition to the Emmys, Breaking Bad received multiple Golden Globe nominations, with Cranston winning the award for Best Actor in a Television Series, Drama in 2014. The show has been recognized by various other award bodies, including the Screen Actors Guild Awards, Producers Guild of America, and Writers Guild of America, reflecting its critical acclaim and industry impact. While Breaking Bad is celebrated for its storytelling and character development, it has not been without its controversies. Some critics raised concerns about the portrayal of drug culture and its potential influence on viewers. The graphic depiction of violence and drug use sparked debates about the moral responsibilities of creators in addressing such sensitive topics. In addition, the show's portrayal of law enforcement, particularly through the character of Hank Schrader, led to discussions about the representation of the drug war and its complexities. Critics argued that while the series depicted the struggles of drug enforcement officers, it often romanticized the criminal lifestyle of its protagonists, leading to a moral ambiguity that some found troubling. Moreover, some elements of the show drew criticism for perceived glorification of Walter White's transformation into a drug lord. While many viewers appreciated the exploration of his moral decline, others felt that the narrative could inadvertently inspire admiration for anti-hero behavior. The spin-off series, Better Call Saul, which follows the character of Saul Goodman, also faced scrutiny regarding its handling of similar themes and its relationship to the original series. Breaking Bad significantly impacted the television landscape, setting a new standard for serialized storytelling. Its success demonstrated that character-driven dramas could captivate audiences and achieve critical acclaim, paving the way for other ambitious shows such as The Walking Dead, The Sopranos, and Game of Thrones. The series redefined the anti-hero archetype in television, showcasing complex characters who navigate morally ambiguous situations. This shift influenced the development of subsequent series, encouraging writers and producers to explore darker themes and character flaws, ultimately leading to a more nuanced portrayal of protagonists.